Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's discussion it will be about Helium HNT, and in the last 2 or 3 minutes of this video I'll also discuss about the Bitcoin status, because as you well know, Bitcoin has an influence on all crypto space including Helium. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow and it helps in YouTube algorithm. Give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 30 April 2024. We are in the last day of this month, and right now Helium it is at about 5.11 US dollars. The market cap it is around $821.7 million, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is around $44.5 million. I believe that the market cap and especially volume in the last 24 hours are a little bit low, but I believe this token has much room to grow, because as you will see, what exactly represents that it can have a better future. What exactly it's Helium? It's a blockchain based network for Internet of Things devices that use nodes as hotspots to connect wireless devices to the network. And the native token HNT powers the network as serves as a payout whenever hotspots transfer connection data across the network. And I believe what I found very interesting it is that HNT tokens are deflationary. HNT tokens are used to access the Helium network's wireless connectivity, as HNT tokens can be burned for data credits. I believe that's very interesting. And let's move out to trading view and see what's the status here. We are on Helium paired with US dollar at 1 day, and the chart it is from crypto. And right now you can see that over the last day we have a red candle, so the price it is on a small downtrend. And overall status since the last fall, since Bitcoin started to pump, and I'll put here the chart of Bitcoin USD. You will see what I'm talking about. So from September or October last year, Bitcoin started to increase massively in price. And from this time period, we will measure the increase of Helium and see what is happening here from about this lower level to this recent top that was in 15 February this year. We have an increase of 734% in just 156 days. That is very, very impressive if you ask me. And if we look on the 20 and 50 daily simple moving averages, you can see here that right now the price it is in some sort of a channel that is formed between those two. The inferior side it is 20 SMA, and at the superior side is the 50 SMA. And you can see that most recently the price was below the 20 simple moving average on daily. It was resistance. We have a clear rejection here on 7 April. The price went more below, and after that tested again. We have a clear rejection from 11 and 12 April this year, and after that the price crossed through the 20 SMA, tested the 50 SMA, and we have clear rejection right now on this level. And we will see what might happen if the price decides to go even downwards. I believe the 20 SMA that was resistance now becomes as a support, so right now it is at 4.48. If this will fail, I believe that the next level important of support it will be somewhere around 3.7 US dollars. But if also this will fail, I believe the next important support it will be around $3. And as you will see here, let's put an horizontal line here to mark this area. And as you can see here on 1st December 2023 was a resistance. We have a clear rejection from this level, and after that the price spiked, and here we had a bull flag and was validated. And also here on January 2023 and also February, this level was an important level of testing from the inferior side, so was a resistance. After that we have a few rejection, but it doesn't matter. It matters for now that this is a level of support if the price will fail further. Okay, we'll see what might happen. Let's move on other indicators. Let's see, for example, the stochastic RSI and the RSI. And right now stochastic RSI it is at the first glance bullish. It is in overbought area. It has a little turn downwards, but it's still in the overbought area. And RSI Right now it has also a small downtrend. That's because we have this red candle from today. Okay, let's move on weekly and see what's happening here. Stochastic RSI, it is bearish, it is in oversold area, and it seems that wants to turn upwards and enter in a neutral area, and RSI for now looks bearish. So that's the status here. Not of any of those two indicators are looking quite good. Both of them are bearish for now. And let's see the 20 SMA on weekly, and I personally consider it an important indicator that tells us if the price movement for now it is bullish or bearish. Right now the price it is below this level, so the price it is bearish if you ask me. From the beginning of the March we had just one green candle, and we will see if the trend will continue downwards and test the $3 area that I explained to you on daily, that here in January and February was as resistance, now becomes as a support. Okay, let's see the 50 weekly simple moving average, and as you can see right now 50 SMA it is a support. It was tested here on April 15 April, also last week on 22 April, and right now we are about to close this week at a narrow level. You can see that this candle doesn't have a big body, just a big wick and a very small body. That's the reality. Okay, and let's see also on monthly what's the status here. From the beginning of the March we are in a downtrend, as you saw clearly on daily and weekly. If I'll put here the 20 monthly simple moving average, you can see that this level it is a support. We have this big wick that represents the candle from April this month, that we are a few hours till ends, and we'll enter in the next month. And I believe this will stay an important level of support. Right now it is at $3.4. The next level it is $3. As I told you, we will see if those will be tested. It all depends also on Bitcoin what does. Let's see stochastic RSI on monthly, see what's telling us. Stochastic RSI it is in downtrend, so it is bearish right now. And we can have a few measurements to see how this token performed in the past. We have from November 2020 till this top from November 2021, so it's about a year. We have an increase of 8,100% in a year. That is very, very impressive. And after that followed the bear market, and this token fell about minus 98%. Afterwards we had this sideways movement followed by a pump that was because of the Bitcoin started to pump from the fall of 2023, and I analyzed this price level. Okay, that's the whole thing here. As you can see, we had some minimums on 2020 that were about 82 cents and 69 cents, 67 cents, and now we have another big support that it is about 1.14 up to 1.35. so this is a whole new level from this. So I believe if Bitcoin will start to pump, we'll have other big levels, and this token can perform better. From this level to the previous all-time high, this token has to pump about 1000%. So this can be possible in this cycle or not. Leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me your opinions about this. If the Bitcoin will start to pump again and will reach about 80-85k area, I personally believe that it can be close to this previous all-time high, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, and let's see what's the current status of Bitcoin today, 30 April 2024. Right now it is struggling at about 60k. The fear ingrid index it is 58, it is neutral, and right now Bitcoin dominance it is at 53.6%, an increase over the last days with a very small percent, but this small percent has an impact on all crypto space, and most of altcoins, as you can see here on CoinMarketCap are bleeding. Most of them are red, a few of them are with green, and that's the reality. Let's look on TradingView on Bitcoin and see what's exactly happening there. So here we are on a TradingView. We have Bitcoin pair with US dollar at 1 day, and the chart it is from crypto. And as I told you in my previous videos, you can see from the last 2 or minutes of every clip, I'll discuss the status of Bitcoin. This is basically an update. You can see that on this day we have this big red candle, and it might happen to test the inferior side of this channel. If this level will break the next important support, it will be around 57k, and if this level will not hold, the next big support, it will be around 54k, and followed afterwards somewhere around 50 and 52k. That are from my point of view some important levels of support. We will see about this. That is the current status of Bitcoin. If we look on monthly, I noticed something interesting. If you look after a big pump, after the first red candle, they are not green candles. So if we look here on November, December 2020 up to April 2021, when we had this red candle, you can see that here, followed another big red candle. You can see also here on October 2021, after this big pump, we have on November 2021 our first monthly red candle, followed by another red candle. So after big pumps, when we have a first red candle, nothing after this but red candles. So maybe this will be the case also. We are about to close this month in a red candle, followed by another red candle. So those levels of supports are important. We can be on our eyes on it and see what can happen. Okay, that's the situation of Helium, of Bitcoin. And if you guys want to leave a comment into the comment section down below, be my guest and tell me your opinions about Bitcoin status, about Helium. If you have Helium in your portfolio, if you believe in this token, tell me your thoughts about this. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and until next time, be well and see you soon.